How to recharge Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can recharge Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are subscribed to Netflix, one thing you have to understand is that Netflix will automatically deduct the balance. You don't have to recharge it again and again. That's the thing you have to keep in mind. If your payment method is still there, then Netflix will automatically deduct the balance, but regardless, if you'd like to check it, you have to check it using your browser or not the app. So open your browser and go to netflix.com, then tap the three lines option from the top left, then go to the option that says account. Once you go to account, here you can see your payment details. Now first of all, as long as your payment details are still there, you should be able to go ahead and then basically automatically recharge your Netflix account. You can see your account is paid until this, so if you want to recharge it, you can add and resume the membership if you'd like, but that should be done from this page. This way you can recharge Netflix. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.